sunset, until my sisters-in-law headed to the well with their buckets. Where were you? Whose hand were you holding? Did you forget me, or were you just playing games? Why did you make me beg like this? Why did you lie so much? You broke my heart and then just vanished. Until the stars faded, until Venus stood alone, until the owl flew back sleepy to its nest. I'm still here staring at the sky, repeating your name over and over. I waited for you. I waited for you. I thought you'd be waiting for me too, but you stepped into the boat of lovers without a know. You just drifted away. Why did you make me beg? Why did you lie? Why did you make me beg? Why did you lie? My phone is vibrating non-stop, but there's nothing from you. In your Insta stories, I see someone else's hand. Did you block me, or did you just move on? Were those I love yous all just a lie? Now I'm up all night, unable to sleep, tears streaming down, looking at your pictures while my heart beats out of my chest. I waited for you. Until the dew. I waited for you. But you're not coming back. Are you? I waited for you. I waited for you. I believed you'd be waiting for me too, but you stepped into the boat of lovers without a know. You just drifted away. Why did you make me beg? Why did you lie? Why did you make me beg? Why did you lie? I waited for you. I waited for you. As the raindrops keep